Criselley's World, Criselley's World, Criselley's World starts now! Hey guys, welcome back. I want to show you how to do a DIY hair braid extension with yarn. So, the materials you need is some yarn. This is multicolored yarn. Found at a resale shop. Some scissors. This is just to keep it in place. And a hairbrush, of course. So what you need to do first is get the length. So let's do that. I'm gonna make the length off camera. I think it'll just be better. You want it to be long. You're gonna, since I already made it, I'm gonna keep on folding it for 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Send that, Aiden. Aiden is in the back. Put your hand on the table. Put your hand on the table. Like this. Like this. Hi. Hi. There's his hands. So after that, you want to get this, and you see this part? It shows you're going to go like that around one finger. Go like this, put it in, and then make sure it's all like that, and then move it maybe over here, and then tighten it. Then we're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna start braiding. So I'm just gonna put it here, and I'm gonna start braiding. So I like to divide these. Oh, and before you start, I almost forgot, you gotta cut the edges right here. What I mean is like these, wait, I just got everything mixed, okay. These loops right here, you see these loops? So you gotta cut those off. And then you start braiding, and then you just first separate them like that. Bless you. Thank you. And then start braiding. You should be already able to know how to braid. Shh. You should be able to know already how to braid, because or else you're not supposed to like watch this video. Shh. So yeah. Some people just like to watch craft things for fun, but I do sometimes, but not all the time. Okay. I need to start braiding correctly. Can you be quiet, Aiden? I'll see you when I'm done. So now after that, just do the same thing. Just pull out. It's kind of complicated. You might get things mixed up. That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. So yeah. You basically just make the knot, tighten it, and then there you have the rest. If you'd like to, you can cut it, but I will leave it like that. And then what you gotta do is grab the hairbrush, just loop it in, and if it's a little too big, the loop, just easily like make an X, like put in it, and then make an X, and then put it in, and then clip it in, and then you easily got yourself a hairbrush. So yeah, now I have 2, which is perfect for when I do pigtails. these will actually work. If you want proof, here's some proof that these do work. Just make sure that these loops are in the edge. And there you go. I'm going to put one on each side. Now I'm all dazzled up and pretty. This I actually figured out how to do. First I was trying to make a yarn bracelet, but it ended up being an extension. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe, bye!